Name's Todd Twitchell. I work for the city of Fresno Graffiti Abatement team. Once we go up and look at a job, if it is a color match, we will match it. Whether it's a building, fence, walls, whatever. Sometimes we can just use a little sensitive surface and water and it'll come right off. We're going to do everything in our power to make sure that our city looks good and nice. My favorite part, making people happy. See them smile. I enjoy going up to somebody and they're irate and frustrated, and when we leave, they're happy to know that the graffiti's off. I really do love coming in to work, because knowing that we're making a difference every day.